Everybody complains there's not enough good inventories in the luxury market in Silicon Valley. But the smart money who are buying in Los Altos and Palo Alto, they don't complain. They are bypassing the open market and get ahead of the game. Today, I want to show you how do they do it. Welcome back, I'm Sophie, your inside connection to Silicon Valley real estate. If you're ever trying to buy a house in Los Altos or Palo Alto, you know the drill. You waited for months for that right house to hit the market. Then you compete with many other buyers. There are even a lot of all-cash buyers. Then you overpay for it, and then you don't get a house. You are exhausting. But there is a better way. It's called buying pre-construction. As we call in the business, buying the paper. Right now, I'm representing a luxury project, a 52 units, sits right at the border of Los Altos and Palo Alto. It's just breaking ground. Buying into a project like this right now is the ultimate wealth play and a smart move ahead of everybody else. Here's the math. When you buy today, you lock in today's pricing. When the builder is building it for the next 12 to 18 months, your house is increasing in pricing. By the time you get the key, the price is already much higher than what you contracted for. You are literally building equity when the builder is pouring concrete. If you're executive from the high-tech companies like Google, Meta, NVIDIA, Apple, you don't have time to renovate a 1970s old house. This is turnkey, ultra-luxury asset. Or if you're an international investor, this is the safest place to park your capital. It's brand new, under warranty, zero maintenance, and located in one of the strongest zip codes in the planet. But here is the catch. Builders release these units in tiers. The people who get in first during the friends and family phase get seeing the best pricing and absolutely the best floor plan. People who wait until the building is finished, they get what is left and pay a premium price for it. If you want ground floor pricing and the first pick of the 52 bespoke units at Altos One, click the link in the description below to join the VIP list. Subscribe to the channel and follow us on Instagram at Altos One Living. See you on the inside.